Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Enjoy the videos. We're at the Schaumburg Hooters for a car show today, and we're here with Jim. Jim, what did you bring with you?
I brought my 1963 Corvette convertible.
Sweet.
Here it goes. I would back up, honestly.
That was awesome. Hi, I'm Angela. This is Stephanie over here. We're here with US Classic Muscle Cars. This is Robbie. Hi, Robbie. Why don't you tell us about the car you brought today?
The 2013 Genesis Coupe. I bought it in 2013. 26 miles on it.
Nice.
Tell us about this hood. Looks like it's textured, but it's actually not.
It's a Saban TS carbon fiber hood.
What made you go with this hood? Or did you buy it like this?
No, I bought it. I like because it keeps the stock body lines of the car.
What is this effect called? Does it have any? The textured?
Not really. It's just carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber, okay.
Yeah.
What else you got going on over here?
I got 20-inch Rohana wheels.
These wheels are sweet.
Thank you.
What made you pick them?
I went to Import Expo in Chicago, and they were on display there, and I really liked them.
Can you lift up the hood and show us what's under there?
I could. It's probably dirty though.
It's all right. It's an interesting way of lifting the hood up.
I like it.
I don't want to ruin it. It's not dirty.
It's extremely clean. What are you talking about?
My car is dirty. True. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
I got a K&N intake Typhoon, full arc catback system, downpipes, test pipes.
Did you add anything, or did you just get it all like this?
No, I added all this stuff.
All of it?
And how much horsepower?
It makes about 350 stock.
Okay.
That's a lot of horsepower.
And how much torque?
Torque is about, I think, 295 to 300.
Okay, let's go see the inside of it. I'm liking this leather. What made you go with this color?
I like the tan leather because they did have black leather, but I just felt it was too much black. I wanted some color in it.
No, definitely. It'd be too hot if you sat in it too.
Yeah, there it is.
What's this on the door?
That's a key thing, so I can lock the door and unlock
Oh,
it.
that's interesting.
The keys in my pocket.
Because this is 2013?
Yeah.
Nice.
The gas cap next to it.
Yeah, there's a lot of carbon fiber.
Yeah, on the bottom too.
In the back is carbon
All down
fiber.
the bottom.
I like that look. I like the
Got an Instagram over here?
Yes, I did.
And then the
Oh, Paul Walker. Nice little dedication.
good observation.
Art of Speed.
How'd you hear about this car show?
This car show, I actually heard it from my friend Joel over there. He goes to a lot of...
Is that the guy,
Because you go to
over there in the
Hooters,
hat?
right?
Yeah.
Is that your friend over there in the hat?
Yeah.
Is that your friend over there with the hat?
Yeah. Unfortunately.
Unfortunately.
You
So
don't
what
know.
do you guys get when you come to Hooters?
What do we get?
Wings, right?
Yeah, wings or whatever else.
What kind of sauce do you like?
I don't really do too much sauce.
Too many to choose from?
Yeah. I like them plain as well though.
That is true. American.
Well, thank you, Robbie. If you like Hooters food, please subscribe, watch more videos, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Please, please, please subscribe. We appreciate it.